Welcome in, everyone. I'm so glad you're here with us. Let's jump right into today's explainer, because we are tackling one of the most painful, yet honestly, ultimately transformational journeys a couple can ever go through. We're talking about infidelity recovery and trust rebuilding. I'm here representing the clinical team at the American Wellness Center, located right here in Dubai Healthcare City. You know, our core belief is simple. Every person deserves not just to survive a crisis, but to truly thrive. And if you're watching this right now, chances are you might be in a place of deep hurt, just looking for a way forward. Well, that is exactly what we're going to map out together today. Okay, so the biggest question probably weighing on your mind right now is this. Can trust truly be rebuilt after a betrayal? Look, I want to start by just validating the isolating, overwhelming fear you're likely feeling. The intense emotional distance, the constant arguments. It's completely exhausting, right? But I also want to assure you right off the bat that you are in a safe, structured space right now. Healing isn't some unattainable myth. It is a real, tangible process, and we're going to walk through exactly how that repair actually happens. What we consistently see with the patients we support is that infidelity can deeply shake the very foundation of a relationship. It leaves behind this profound wake of anger, immense grief, and absolute confusion. It is literally an emotional earthquake. For so many of the couples we see at the American Wellness Center, this discovery completely shatters their sense of reality. You have to remember, you aren't just dealing with a standard disagreement here. You're actively mourning the relationship as you knew it. And honestly, acknowledging that deep, deep grief with absolutely zero judgment is our very first vital step. Now, I urgently need you to internalize this next point. Your physical and emotional reactions right now, they are completely valid. Things like trauma responses, hypervigilance, suddenly having panic attacks, or those intrusive, obsessive thoughts playing on a loop. Those are not character flaws, not at all. They are completely normal reactions to a highly abnormal, deeply shocking event. You might feel like you're losing your mind, but I promise you, you aren't. Your brain is just in shock, trying to process a massive breach of emotional safety. We really treat this as a psychological injury that just needs gentle, specialized untangling. So knowing exactly what we're up against is absolutely crucial. There are some very specific core challenges we navigate together at American Wellness Center. We're talking about betrayal and emotional shock, the total loss of trust, and those sudden communication breakdowns where, let's be real, every single word feels like a trigger. We're also tackling the incredibly heavy burdens of guilt and shame. Our specialists guide both partners through all of these intense emotions with what we call dual empathy. That means zero judgment for either partner. Whether you are the betrayed or the involved partner, therapy provides this safe, totally neutral space to explore your emotions honestly. And, because we're based in a beautifully diverse city like Dubai, we bring a really deep understanding of cross-cultural dynamics to our collaborative counseling. We make absolutely sure both perspectives are fully heard in a culturally sensitive way. For the involved partner, this means we're guiding you toward taking true, transparent accountability for the infidelity. But, and this is key, without letting you sink into crippling, unproductive self-blame. Because shame hides, but accountability heals. By acknowledging both partners' experiences openly, we can finally start to rebuild that essential bridge of communication. To get you to that place of actual healing, we rely on exact, evidence-based clinical science. We don't just sit there and talk in circles. We use highly structured, proven methods, things like emotion-focused therapy, which helps us identify those underlying emotional needs so we can restore a secure attachment. We also integrate Gottman method interventions to actively rebuild trust and put a stop to those exhausting, recurring conflict cycles. And crucially, we utilize trauma-informed support to directly address the emotional triggers of betrayal trauma. It's really about applying the rigorous science of psychology to untangle complex relational trauma. All of these therapeutic methods build into a really clear, structured roadmap. I want to reassure you again that healing isn't just some chaotic mystery. It is a steady, step-by-step process. Stage 1, that focuses heavily on transparency. It's about getting all the cards on the table in a clinically safe way, so there are absolutely no more surprises. Then, Stage 2 locks in that accountability we were just talking about. And finally, Stage 3 is future planning. Step by step, we help you replace all that panic and uncertainty with structure and predictability. In our experience at American Wellness Center, sticking with these consistent sessions leads to some truly incredible transformations. The couples we work with don't actually just go back to the way things were. Because let's face it, the way things were was vulnerable. Instead, they develop a much, much deeper emotional awareness. You start to see a real shift from high defensiveness to a renewed empathy and compassion for one another. We provide a very concrete framework for forgiveness. With guided support, couples often rediscover not just trust, but a stronger, more honest, and far more authentic connection than they ever had before. Now, rebuilding trust certainly takes time, and you need a highly experienced guide. The American Wellness Center opened its doors in Dubai Healthcare City back in 2016, and we have been guiding thousands of patients and couples through their absolute most difficult moments ever since. We are deeply rooted in ethical, evidence-based care, which means you are in extremely capable hands. To achieve those real clinical outcomes, we bring the collective wisdom of over 59 highly qualified Western-trained clinicians to the table. Our licensed psychologists, psychiatrists, and relationship counselors understand cross-cultural dynamics on a profound level. That ensures that no matter your background, your specific cultural context is respected, deeply understood, and integrated right into your recovery. Plus, we house over 20 multidisciplinary specialties all under one roof. So why does that actually matter for infidelity recovery? Well, extreme emotional stress can severely impact your sleep, your physical health, and just your overall mental well-being. By offering comprehensive, wraparound care that combines psychology, psychiatry, and broader wellness services, we make absolutely sure that whether you need emotional regulation support, a mental health evaluation, or focused therapy, you are fully 100% supported. I do want to be very, very clear about our role in your journey, though. Therapy is all about finding the right path for you. Sometimes that means rebuilding connection, cultivating a renewed, stronger commitment to one another. But other times, it means finding healthy closure. It means achieving the clarity you need to part ways amicably and with mutual respect. And this really proves our absolute neutrality as your empathic guide. We don't force any agenda on you. Our singular goal is simply to help you reach the healthiest possible outcome for your unique situation. Which brings us to a final thought I want to leave you with today. Are you ready to take that first step toward healing? Rebuilding trust takes time, yes, but you absolutely do not have to do it alone. The deeper question isn't just whether trust can survive betrayal, it's whether you are ready to discover the stronger, more deeply authentic version of yourself that is waiting on the other side of this pain. Reach out to us at the American Wellness Center. We are here to listen, to guide, and to help you heal. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer, and we really look forward to supporting you.